Now, oh, this is the relative way, okay? It's 91.2 meters ahead. You're going to have to do what you did last time. You're going to have to find just before, you're only going to do the relative technique for the deceleration phase, okay? So we're not going to make the same mistake we made last time, right? If this was stationary, it'd be 91.2 take away 26t. However, we realized that the car also travels 6t. So that actually makes it 91.2 meters take away 20t. Alright? Now, what you can do next is you can write down the UVAST for both of them, like we did last time. U is going to be, what's it, 26? V is 6. U is 6. V is 6. A is 0. A is -5. Then we have some variables in here. Now, you combine both of them together. And what you're essentially doing is you're treating the tractor like it's stationary. So that circle around the T means I'm treating it like it doesn't exist, like it's stationary. Okay? In that case, you're not catching it up, you're catching up to 20. Would that make sense? At that point in time, if it's going 6 to the right and you're going 26 to the right, that will be a U value of 20. Is that alright? What about the V value then? Relative to each other, you want to be moving at 0. Why? That means you're not catching the other one up. As an example, if I'm going across a 10 and the other car's going across a 10, that's a relative velocity of 0. Because neither one of you is catching up on each other. Does that make sense? So that means the V value is going to be 0. Okay? The A value, by sheer logic, is going to have to be -5, isn't it? If it was +5, you're not decelerating anytime soon, are you? And look at this. Remember we got t equals 4 last time? What's going to be, what happens if you do t equals u plus 8t? It's going to be 0 equals 20 minus 5t, and then you're going to get t equals 4 in a much simpler way than you did last time. Next, you're going to get your distance covered. Now, you got to remember, it's not the distance each car covers, it's the distance one car covers relative to the other one. The tractor is considered stationary, so it's how much distance your car covers on your tractor. Alright? So what we're just going to do here is, we're just going to use ut plus a half at squared. And then s equals 20 times 4. What's a plus? Half minus 5 times 4 squared. We gained 40 meters last time, didn't we? Guess what that answer is? 40. Okay. So it means you gained 40 meters on your car. Okay? So when you gain 40 meters on your car, what you then say is that you gained 40 meters. So it has to be worth 40. Yeah, I got it. So this distance here has to be equal to 40 because the distance between the two of them has to be 40. That's the minimum distance you're allowed because the car is going to make up 40 meters. So you need to be 40 meters away from that car or away from the tractor to make that happen. So it's going to be 91.2 meters, take away 26t equals 40, 26t equals 51.2, and then t equals 2.56. Slightly faster and more efficient than the last one. Okay? Took 4.5 minutes.